ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakabenta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka Buy Admission ka Badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Kinong Shnongrim ilaka nong Kli East Jante Hills District ki badairu ki try kendo haka arpulai tergyo yong arhajar apun riu ki lalit bo Jingthmu shaka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ban Pynduh ya Jingthmu Khlong jelang snga Paidbah ban ailat ya ka MSPCB Limited ban ti Mawshun nak jaka ba arspa khan nyo point like ndai sa hektar hak te ka Shnong. Tang kata kat kum kejing banana ka board ka ong ban bu ya ka karkhana taliat Mawshun ha ka Shnong lom serman kinong Shnong Jingthmu ban ya kendu yo member secretary ka board Henry dan ha office
igat kama jingjung ya notice wa ong gi am Shnong lom serman igat kama jing chiam yong i wi chiam i mu to mjung wa am Shnong hani lom serman ne ba im tv unu wa Shnong wa am hani lom serman to wat ada Shnong lam jujung ka ngagat tulasan politik isnem da de imahani po elka nong kle wada de manole udo usnam yong ka wada kha da pun da be yenga tengam tujung am chino de lasan politik isnem wada ka tengah mjuju ini chino ini to jing kwa yong i kami wa yeyen hane por dibenta wa ipenche bi i hajing yato wa gani chino ne hewan em gani kot kislah gat kamaman ira budde ni gini kam yong kini kot kisla gu yato satara lom serman tengah naliang onga tadu ini hi kwa pan jingche yo penche bi i hajing yato gini gichnong tengah kwa jing penche uyi u he chnong woman em hani lom serman ngadu ini langbau sekretari yong kal to khana bi yo ching i kam gibru em hachnong Shnongrim em po elganong kle
jing ye ki na kabanta bangin penyo ya ka hok ke jong ki try Shnong ki badai ki try jaka jong ketu ka jaka lum serman ke jing ye ki lada kimpat sngap ya ka ne ke jing ujor ke jongi ngin sedang bari ki nadu na po elaka ke jongi persya ya ki no yelam jong ke elaka ki ba claim ya ka ne ki ba ai ya ka NOC cha ki ne ki factory ngin ye ki nadu persya yo doloi bat ye ki member jong ki isi balai ki ai ha ka jaka jongi claim ka jingbit claim ka jingpan permission ningi so bat nang ta ngin saya khamtam lengba ka district council ka badai ban pit ya ka khendeu ka siap bat ya ka jinglong try ka jongi kumnu ki not ban ai ya ka ne ki NOC cha ka ne ka company claim ka jingbit claim ka jing console bat ki nong chong chnong bat ki belong ki try jaka jong ka ne ka khendeu kumta lashai ngin mi ban le ju jor cha ki badai ki bor ki bahlor ki badai pej ya kene banta bat nak banta ki tu baro ki badon kti hagaban penmi lene ban ai jingbit ya kini ki simen plan ban pelong ya ke public hearing ngin let ban ya kendu bat ki ban ngin pan ya ka jingshai haganu ka rukom bat haganu ka dur bagi ai claim na ka jingbit kini ki try kendeu so we came here actually we didn't meet the chairman and the secretary of this office, but we have submitted the documents and all the related documents here in this office. So the land where the public hearing is proposed to for the limestone mining by the Sri Cement Limited is our ancestral land, and this land is belong to us. Till today, we have not sold or leased or given to any individuals or to any company or to anyone to use this land. So we want to ask a simple question to the highest authority. How can a public hearing take place without the consent of the landowners? We are the rightful landowners of this area, of this place, Lom Serman. So we strongly state that any attempt to proceed with this public hearing without our permission is unjust and a violation of our rights. So therefore, we demand that the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to immediately stop this public hearing. Times within 7 days to withdraw this process or first to resolve the issue of the landowners. So as we have already stated yesterday about all the issues related with this land. So we today the same we reminds our elected representative right from the MLA, the MDC, and especially the Daloi of our Ilaka that they are given powers to protect the people, to protect our lands, to protect and also to see our problem. We are not giving them the powers. We are not giving them the powers, or we are not allowed them to sell our land or to given our lands to others people, especially to the company without our consent. So, what I want to say here today, if our concern, if our issue are ignored, we will be compelled to take the further necessary step to protect our lands and our rights. This is our land. This Lomsorman is belong to us, not to anyone, not to that to the company of the Sri Cement Limited. It is belong to us. So we will stand united. We will protect our lands and we will claim it because this is our rights and this is our property.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata ai ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya